Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is another one from my What I Ate series, where I will share what I ate for evening snacks this week. I feel super hungry around 4 to 5 pm or just after logging off from my work, and that's when I need little filling snacks and also at the same time not that heavy, otherwise will not be able to eat dinner, and again I feel hungry in the late night. So today's video is all about healthy yet not that heavy non-fried evening snacks ideas. So let's begin. Starting with this Monday, I had a banana shake. For me personally, this is very filling and a healthy snack option. So to make this, in my blender jar, I have added one banana and to that 1 cup of milk. I have used low fat milk here and 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and few drops of vanilla essence. Vanilla essence gives the whole shake a great flavor and the cocoa powder adds the great color to it. So I love to add those here. Next I blend all of this really well in my blending jar and then I served it in the glass. I have topped it with a little bit of cocoa powder. So my shake for Monday is ready and this is one of my absolute favorite evening snack. Moving on to Tuesday. This Tuesday I had a Chatpata bread tikki with salad. This recipe I have experimented few times now and I really loves it. This is one of the easy non-fried vegetarian snacks idea and even I prepare this as an appetizer sometimes if some guest comes to my home too. So to make this, I had first taken 4 whole wheat bread and using my blender jar, I had made it to a bread crumbs. Grind it without water, otherwise it will be mushy from the start. So that I have added some finely chopped onion and some mashed ginger garlic chili mix. Ginger garlic paste will not taste good here at all and would highly recommend to mash the ginger garlic chili together and use that here. Mashed mix adds up a great taste to the whole recipe and to that I have added little salt and 1 teaspoon of rice flour and then 3 to 4 teaspoon of water. Then we'll mix it well and we'll make a dough kind of texture and then we'll make tikki out of it. And then in a hot pan using brush I will just brush up some oil and then I will place the tikki to the pan. We'll cover it up with the lid so that it will get cooked well and then we'll flip it to the other side as well. Meanwhile, I will shred 1 carrot and chop some cucumber and lettuce for salad. And we'll add some lemon and salt to the salad, which will give a great flavor to the salad itself. And then we'll mix it well. Now our tikki is also ready. Then in a small bowl, I will take some chopped garlic and some chili sauce and some tomato sauce to it and I'll mix it well. And serve it in the glass. I just love the outcome of this recipe. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'll just dip the tikki well in it. This gives a great taste to the tikki and the whole recipe. And then we'll place the tikki on top of the salad and we'll top it with some mixture on top, and there is my delicious healthy non-fried chatpata bread tikki is ready for Tuesday. On Wednesday, I wanted to have little light yet filling snacks, so I had made this spicy butter corn. Corn is my absolute favorite and it goes well with anything. I am using here the sweet corn, which comes very handy. You can directly use it. I just want to add some hot water to it so that the corn will be very hot. The hot corn adds a great taste to this whole recipe. And then I will strain it properly using a strainer, and I will transfer this to a small bowl. And then to that I will add little butter, some salt and some pepper and some lemon juice. Lemon juice adds a really great taste to this, and the red chili powder. Mix it well. And yeah, that's it. My Wednesday snacks is ready. So moving on to Thursday, it was raining here, so I have thought to make some non-fried pakoras. Pakoras are one of my favorite, and I just love how with less oil this tastes come out so well. I have allergy to anything deep fried. If I eat that, I get lots of issues later. So I always prefer to go with this non-fried pakoda, and I believe this satisfies the taste bud and also it is super healthy too. So to make this, we'll start with chopping some onions and some chilies. I like my pakoda with onion and chili a lot, so I am using that here. I will take this in a bowl, and to that I will add 3 to 4 teaspoon of besan or chickpea flour. To that we'll add some salt, some red chili powder, a little bit of baking soda. We'll add water little by little and make it to paste like this. And then we'll heat my pattu maker or paniram maker. In this pakoda takes really less oil and the texture comes out so well. So I will drop some oil in each places, and then we'll add the pakoda mix here, and we'll cover this up with a lid, and after some time we'll flip it to the other side. And keep it some time to cook properly. And yes, my Thursday snacks is ready, and I'm enjoying my snacks with little tomato and chili sauce. So on Friday, I made this quick, easy chili garlic cheese toast. Cheese are my absolute favorite, and this garlic chili cheese toast tastes really yummy. For that, I have taken 2 whole wheat bread and some finely chopped garlic and green chilies and some butter. I will start with applying butter at one side of the bread. And to other side, we'll top it with cheese. I'm using here Gouda shredded cheese. I use mostly mozzarella cheese, but this was available in my home today, so using it. And then we'll add garlic and chilies on top. Also some chili flakes, which gives nice color to it, and I also like it spicy, but this is purely optional. Then place one by one to a hot pan. Since there is already butter below, so it will make the bread little crispy. And keep the heater in the medium heat, and we'll cover this up with lid. Once all the cheese melts down, I'll take out the bread to a plate. And cut it into slices. And my Friday snacks is ready. And I love this cheesy mixed with garlic taste of it. That's it for today's video, guys. If you like my today's video, then please consider subscribing my channel and comment down below one of your favorite snacks recipe. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.